नुस्तेमारी खात्याची संचालक यशस्विनी बी हाणे वास्को खारीवाडा जेटीची पळोवणी केली। या जेटीच्या स्थितीविशीं सगळी माहिती आदले मंत्री जुजे फिलिप डिसूजा हाणे नुस्तेमारी खात्याच्या संचालकाक दिली। तशेंच जेटीचेर नुस्तेकार भावांक आशिल्ल्यो समस्या तांणी तांच्या मुखार मांडल्यो। जाता त्या रितीन आदार दिवपाचें आश्वासन नुस्तेमारी खात्याच्या संचालकान जेटीकारांक दिलां। RDX खातीर खारीवाड्याच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
Since Madam has visited our fishing jetty, I think that's some positive thing is going on here. We are very happy because since she has taken a charge as the Director of Fisheries and she has taken a good initiative. That's what I could say, and I would like to say thank you for her visiting on my fishing jetty. And I have a full faith that definitely she will do because she knows because I have already mentioned to her that is the government have spent a lot of money in a Betul jetty and they have a huge place there. My government have spent a lot of money in the Malim jetty also. Government have spent the money in the Kortalim jetty also. Government spent the money in other jetties also. But only I have put up to Madam. I said that why the government is not spending money on this Vasco jetty. Madam, we don't want to wait till the MPD who gives a new jetty. Madam, I think it will not happen because why? There are a lot of problems. Another 1 year goes, then will be lot of problems. So I take everything in consideration and say that definitely there will be something. And my friend, Fishery Minister Nilkan Haldankar, he has taken a good initiative and he is taking of the fishermen. So I requested him also to please take care of this. And because of reimbursement, that we could say the subsidy, it is not come, it is a pending for 2 years. Now we wanted that money and Madam, I think she already processed the file and all. So I am really grateful to her and we are waiting for. Problem here, we cannot alongside, cannot bring all the boats on the fishing jetty. In one time we can only bring 10 or 12 boats because there is a bigger boats now, man. And the wooden boats are getting a damage. So my humble request I have showed her also. This is the problem because we are the fishermen, we are the owner, we are fighting among us. So I don't want that our people, my friends, boat owners, they should not fight among us. So at least government in this condition, at least the government should do and help us something. So my full hope is there on fishery director.
Actually आम्ही डायरेक्टराक आपयला ते न्यू चार्ज घेयला ते खबर ना आमचे प्रॉब्लम मोस्टली आमचे डिफिकल्टीज दाखोवपाक ते एक आपयला कितें प्रॉब्लम फेस जातले एक्सटेंशन करपाचें एक प्रॉमिस दिलोलें आमकां वाडोवपाचें थिंगा आनी प्लॅन बी आमकां दाखयलोलें एज अ फ्लोटींग जेट्टी म्हूण तेजेंय कांय जावं ना सो म्हाजें एक कितें म्हणणें आहा एवरी टायम कितें एक्सटेंशन टेम्पररी करपाक कोत्ता प्रॉब्लम येता फायनान्साचो सो म्हाजो रिक्वेस्ट कितें आहा की टेम्पररीच कर आमकां व्हडलें चड बजटान न्हू लो बजटान धरून कित्याक मातसो पासून आमकां एक्सटेंशन दिलें एक रिलीफ केसो बोटकारांक कित्याक एवरी नाव एंड देन आमचे मदें लफडी जाता बोटी येयले जाल्यार नुस्तें येयल्यार देंवपाक त्रास जाता नुस्तें पेड्यार जाता मागीर बोटी एकमुखाक लागून डॅमेज जाता तुमी चोयलें आसतलें थिंगा कितले फेस जाता ते आनी हे सिट्युएशनान फिशिंगाचेर इतले बॅड हा सिट्युएशन सिजन इतलो बॅड येयलो आहा तितून प्रॉब्लम प्लस जे वेट रिएम्बर्स मेळटाले तेवूय बंद जालें सो अशें इतल्याक पावले आमी बोटकार येत हितून आमकां दिसता कोणेंय एक गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां हात दिवन वयर काडचो कसो हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता आमचेर हांव नको गव्हर्मेंट कित्याक म्हूण अशें इतलें हें करता तेणी एक मुखार सरोन आमकां हेल्प कर कित्याक वी आर द ट्रेडिशनल फिशरमॅन माय पांयचो धंदो आमी मुखार हांव नको आमकोण आनीक चलोवपा जातलो काय की आयज आमी मॅडमीक आपयलें दाखोवपाक की जाता जाल्यार कितेंय तर आमकां हेल्प कर
With certain grievances regarding this particular jetty to me almost a month back. I promised them to come and visit and have an inspection of the particular site and then take into consideration whatever we can do at this level. So I've come here today to inspect this place and this is the first time that I visited the site also. So let us see what we can do from our side. To this particular jetty which is under consideration and we've also presented that particular project to MPD. I think everybody here is also aware of this particular project. So, but however, the proposal has to be submitted to Government of India and then only can we say that we will be able to go ahead with that. So let us see where.
Yeah, but
where we
can
go.